Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Prism Planner. Today I'm just coming at you with a short video for the July Simply Gilded sub box. I just decided to kind of keep these separate from my usual hauls because I figured maybe some people just want to see the box and they'll find this video and just want to see the box. So anyway, so the July the July Simply Gilded sub box theme was, did it have a name? Yeah, Wild Heart. So it's kind of this jungly theme with the cheetahs and the toucans and the parrots. So let me zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay, so here's the box, very pretty. It's got the gold foil. I like the cute little bow there. So let's see what's inside. Every box usually has at least somewhere between 4 and 6, I want to say, washi. And this month had a lot of washi, so let's hold off on that. First thing you get is this really pretty pen. Well, actually, you get a card that tells you everything you get. So this pretty pen, it says it's a tropical gel pen. So I think it's a gel pen. So very pretty. Next we get this, I'm looking at it on the thing, foiled pocket TN insert. What's the actual name? I know what it is, but anyway, so just got the same, pattern as the box itself. And it's just a blank, just white pages. Pocket sized for your pocket TN, which I don't have, but then you get these foiled sticky notes. Super pretty. I always love getting sticky notes from Simply Gilded, and these are really cute. I like how they're much bigger and a cute little bow on top. Very pretty. Then we have the journaling card. Every box comes with a journaling card. It's just got the parrot and it says Wild Heart with the palm leaves. Are these palm leaves? I'm not sure what kind of leaves. We have palm trees in Vegas, but those aren't what the leaves look like. Anyway, you get your stickers. That says Queen of the Jungle. Bee leaf in yourself. Oh, I have a journaling card like that. And then this one says, oh, Born Wild. So it's not, enough to do a full kit, but if you could stretch it with the washi, then, there's not enough check boxes for every day, but whatever. I don't know. They're pretty stickers. I don't always use them. I might use those though, because the washi goes really well. This is a, come here. This is called Bird and Palm pouch. Yeah. So this is neat, and it's got the washi inside. So let's show you all that. I like the pouch. It's sort of see-through. Not really. Kind of. You could barely kind of make out my finger. It's not really picking up on camera. I don't know. It's kind of like a vinyl-y thing going on. And then here's the washi. Like I said, there's a lot of, whoa! There's a lot of washi in this box, or usually I would say is not always this much washi, especially this much bow washi. Usually there's only one bow. February's box didn't even have any bows. Actually, no, it was in February, it's January. Anyway, so there's 2 cheetahs. This one's more kind of the confetti that she usually does. So it's a, sort of 10 millimeter, I think. But it's not foiled or anything. And then the spots are not all the same. And then this is the cheetah, but has the hot gold bows. So that's super unique. She's never done a pattern bow like this before. I think it's usually just a solid color or maybe an ombre or something. But then we have the parrots. Excuse me, it's falling. Then you have the parrots and the toucans, and then there's little gold hearts in there. Cute. And then there's this just pretty rainbow ombre with this gold leaves, gold palm leaves or whatever. And then you get the tropical collection of the bow washi, but it's the 5 millimeter release. So super cool. So the pink and the green, I don't know what their names are. I know that this is Sunny Side Up and that's Pool Blue, but I don't know. I think that's Electric Palm. I don't know what the pink is. Have a I think it's hot gold, and then these two have the holographic bows, which are my favorite. So now I have like all of the ones. Hang on. Yeah, see? So now I have the 15, the 10, and now the 5. Super cute. Little tropical bow family. Anyways, so that is the entire box itself. Well, yeah, sort of. Anyways, let's put these like this. Yeah, okay, there we go. So that is the Simply Gilded sub box, volume, what is this? Volume 9, called Wild Heart, for the month of July. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and definitely subscribe if you'd like to see more from me, because I do plan with me's and other hauls, and then these unboxings and stuff like that. So you know, subscribe if you're not and you'd like to be, and I will talk to you guys next week. Oh, and leave me a comment. I'd like to talk to you guys. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.